can't. Bare roligt, der er helt sort.
I don't care.
Oh, that's my screen. Hey, Solax. You're bored, aren't you? Jeg kan ikke se dig.
I don't care. Film.
So, hi, do you have some... Jamen, man kan ikke se.
I don't care. Oh.
Det var det, jeg mente.
Måske en lille smule.
Nej.
Good night.
So,
There's a fish.
do you have something to say to him? To her, I mean. Dang it.
You're so good to Danish.
What?
To English.
Yes.
That was what I meant.
Yes, I know.
No, you are.
I'm better than you. At least I know what
That
it means.
is mine.
Go
away
from it! Go away from it! Ah, that is mine!
You know, hey, Solax.
Meine Pulle. Hello.
It's called pillow.
Yeah. Jeg har stjålet den fra min far. I was stealing it from my dad.
You know what I think that's funny? You know, he was scared of being stalked by the rake.
No, I think the rake was there.
Yeah, the rake stalked
Hvordan
you.
fanden vil du altså
Yeah.
have, vi skal ligge i sengen?
Good night.
I can sleep in the chair if you want to.
Nej!
I can.
sove her.
You
Jeg
know
skal ikke
what?
sove i seng med en dreng.
You know what? Maybe we should just push him down.
Ja.
Jeg er en dreng her, men for dit.
You can sleep in the locker.
Ja.
No. Sagde du i skabet eller hvad?
Yes.
Eller kan du sove inde på Sofies værelse?
Yeah, det må du gerne.
Hvis jeg sover på Sofies værelse, så skal vi også. Og i klassen.
We can't.
We do it.
We can't.
Jeg er ligeglad, vi skal.
Oh, there's a pillow.
Das ist meine Pille. And only meine.
I don't understand, but okay.
Kan du ikke spære sig engelsk?
No, I don't talk his language.
But Spastic English is so good.
Oh my god, she's a Homestuck fan. She's a Homestuck fan. I like her more.
What?
She's also a Creepypasta fan. You know what? Hold on.
But.
Oh, oh my God. Das ist eine Emilie. Oh, so
Wait, does
kusselig.
she see me?
What?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Kill her. Kill her.
Oh,
Kill her.
oh.
I don't like her.
Go supermodel.
Show.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, damn it.
Oh. Look this
Kill on
way.
the dance floor.
Don't you mean blood on it?
No.
Blood. Here they go. There. I have so much blood to drink. I'm not even kidding.
For me. I give it to you.
Oh, how disgusting. Oh my God, you give it to who?
You know what?
Give
I
it.
give blood to Emilia.
Oh, I thought it was something else.
Ew.
You give it to her. You give it to her.
I thought there was something about that dirty mind of yours.
I
It
always
wasn't-
have a dirty mind.
This time it wasn't me. It wasn't me this
I
time.
think it's funny because he usually really likes Tumblr. And you know what? My whole life has been a lie because Tumblr's L is not even L, it's a 1. It's 1. It's 1. Ugh.
You show me Tumblr. I don't know what it was. You are so.
Why are you telling me? Now I have to respond.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Kimi ni Todoka!
Hvad en K?
Kimi ni Todoka! Selvom man ikke kan se det. I love that anime. I love Kimi ni Todoka.
What?
I really don't know what it wasn't me.
Åh. Hvorfor piller du ens tapet af?
Gør heller ikke særlig meget.
I don't care, that's Sam.
Jeg har ikke noget at lave.
I don't care. Emily's boobs. And you like it. And anything else. And Emily is not listening because she's so dumb. And she can't even talking.
Don't worry, it's not my blood.
You know, I am actually listening to what you're saying.
I don't care, you did not listen, Thomas.
If I just
Beep,
talking like a
beep,
complete retard,
beep,
you're still talking better
Beep,
than him.
beep, beep, beep.
Shut the
beep,
fuck up.
beep.
Batman.
Cats.
I
love cats.
don't care.
You never don't care.
I always don't care.
Cake.
That's just who I am.
No, you need to give me cake. I need cake.
Good for you.
Hey,
Not good for nothing.
why it's pink?
Because my room used to be pink.
Ooh,
And you know this was my mom's bedroom before, right?
You love pink.
No, I hate it.
You love it.
I hate it.
You love it.
Jeg ved godt, vi har filmet i 6 minutter.
So what? She likes to look at us bored retards.
Oh, you are evil to me. Why?
Of course we're evil to you. You're hideous.
Why it's so dark?
No. Jeg skal være sådan en mystisk person. Hello.
You know, you're filming the wrong place.
I don't care.
That's better.
Cake.
That was what I was saying. Hello.
There's something wrong.
How's it going?
Oh, it's Martin.
Ow.
Martin, what does he want?
I.
Look, everyone is seriously all like that you look like a girl.
Se, jeg var med til at sminke ham.
Dine venner ligner
Huh?
virkelig. Nej, jeg nåede ikke selv det. Pige. Jeg kunne kun se et eller andet med pige til sidst.
Oh,
Hvad står der i den anden ting?
ouch! He
Yeah.
poked me. Why did he poke me? Why did he poke?
Har Niklas prikket til dig?
Who's that?
Ham der Niklas.
Apparently, yes.
Han er så klam.
I don't know him, and gladly I don't want to.
Hvorfor fanden er du så venner med ham på Facebook?
How will I know?
Så slet ham. Han er sådan en klam æder en.
Well, I have to do something like that.
Han spurgte mig, om vi skulle komme sammen.
You know what? Maybe.
Og han lyver over for folk.
Maybe he just.
Hvorfor i alverden finder du sten, når du siger sådan noget?
I don't care.
You know what? I'm
Hun
going.
forstår det ikke alligevel.
I'm
Nej,
going.
hun gør ikke. Hvis hun
She
lægger
actually
på Facebook.
does. I've been learning her Danish. Like she say, "Jeg elsker katte," and she knows that's mean with me.
Jeg elsker katte.
She
Det
actually.
gør jeg også.
Og you don't.
Emil, jeg er katte.
I even
Og jeg
teach
kan-
Og ved du hvad, jeg kan faktisk ikke lide katte, fordi katte kan ikke lide mig.
I like them. I love them. I love them.
Lad være med at prikke til mig med din fod, den er klam. Du har ikke vasket den. Lad være med at prikke til mig med din fod.
You know what? We even shaved his leg.
Ved du hvad, du tager den nu. Nu gider jeg ikke at holde den mere.
We even freaking shaved his leg. One of them, at least.
It's so